I'm going to show you a quick video of how to change the engine air filter for 2021 Honda Passport. So right here we have two clips, and then on the top back end we have one clip, so it's a total of 3 clips. And for the 3 clips, you're just pushing it down with your thumb. To pop open the cover, you have to slide it towards you and then up. Now we have access to the engine air filter, and the way you take it out, it should be a arrow on the filter. So the same way you take it out, when you get the new one, you put it back in the same way. So as we sitting next to each other, you can see a big difference. Before we place the new filter back in, we want to make sure the whole inside is clean. Now when you place the filter in, you want to make sure the arrow is pointing down. And when you place the cover back on, you want to push it down and then slide it back. If you don't do that, and you just push it down, it's not going to snap back into place. Now we're going to push the 2 clips back up, and then the 1 clip on the top left. And that's how you change the air filter.